So hello everyone. So from the previous video we had already drawn this room, that is front veranda. We had already discussed about the how to evaluate the scale, that is how to convert the values given in your drawing to the given scale. So 2.5 meter horizontal it will be, 2.5 meter it will be vertical. So if you convert that into 1:100 scale, so 2.5 meter will be 2.5 centimeter respectively. So here, so from here to here it is 2.5 centimeter, and from here to here it is 2.5 centimeter. So complete the rectangle. This will be front veranda. So in front of the front veranda we can give the hall, okay, and to the side of the front veranda it will be like a corner, so we can give the bedroom. So bedroom size has been given as 4 meter by 3.5 meter in the question. So just let us draw a 4 meter by 3.5 meter room here, okay. So this will be 4 meter and this will be 3.5 meter. So you can just join. So this will be bedroom, so 4 by 3.5. So this will be 4 and this will be 3.5. So then we have to give the living room or a hall, and it has been given in the question that it is 7.8 horizontally, 4 vertically. So from here to here it is 4 already, from here to here it is already 2.5, so from here to here it is 6.5. So remaining is 1.3. So from this point to this point it will be hall or the living room. So from this point to this point the width is 7.8. What is the other parameter given in the question? 7.8 by 4. So this will be 4 meter. Okay, so then complete it. So this will be, okay, so leave this apart. So this will be living or hall. Okay, so this is 7.8 by 4 meter. 7.8 meter by 4 meter. So then we have to give the kitchen. So that is given as 3 meter by 3 meter. So from here, so if this is 7.8, so almost this will be half. So 3 meter somewhere like this. So we'll take 3 meter and this is also 3 meter. So complete that. So this will be kitchen. So this is at some corner. So kitchen is 3 meter by 3 meter. Then we have to provide utility 2 meter by 3 meter. So let us give the utility or the storeroom by the side here. So this is utility. So utility is 2 by 3, 2 meter like this, 3 meter like this. So left out is water closet and bathroom. So in this block itself you will fit that. Okay, so now, so here you can see in the previous videos I had shown you this room dimension, but there was some mistake with the dimensions given there. So these are the new dimensions to be noted. Okay, so then coming here, so the bathroom and water closet. So now let us take horizontally how much this will be. So that is 2.8 meter. This is horizontally. For the bathroom, 2.8 by 1.7. So this is 2.8. This will be 1.7, around somewhere here. So this will be bath, and here it will be water closet. This is WC. So this is how much, or you can also give it this one as WC at the corner and this one at the bath. Okay, so here WC is actually, this will be, bathroom size was given as 2.8 by 1.3. okay, so this will be 2.8 and this will be 1.3. Sorry, bathroom size given as 2.8 by 1.7. This is 2.8, this is 1.7, and water closet size is 2.8 as this much only. by 1.3. So I have not drawn according to the scale here, that is why this mistake is happening. Okay, so 1.3 is actually looking lengthier than 1.7, but in fact it is not like that. Okay, so just we have to have an idea about this. So then we have to get the doors and windows. So door, usually it is located at the corner. Okay, let us take the door D here. So similarly, window also we want for bedroom. So you can give window here, you can give window here. So this is what. And for living or hall, so this is big room, so let us give 2 window here. Similarly here also we can give 2 windows. So for front veranda we can give D1. Okay, so similarly to gain entry into the kitchen from the living or hall, D1, let us take D1. Okay. Similarly utility shall take D1, and from utility to bathroom, sorry, water closet and bathroom, we need other doors. You can just give here D2, and here also you can give D2. Similarly window can be given for the kitchen. Okay, so for water closet and bathroom we are going to give the ventilator. Okay, so because of the privacy purpose, in place of window we are giving the ventilator. So D, W and V, door, window and the ventilator. So door, you can see the schedule of openings here. It is given 1.2 width wise, 2.1 height wise. Here in line diagram or plan we are only concerned with the width, because in the line diagram or the plan we are not able to see the height. So D is 1.2, so this is 1.2 meter. Similarly W, it is 1.5 by 1.2, that is 1.5 in the width. So here you can see this is 1.5. Okay, and here you can see this width is also 1.5 and 1.2 in the height, but 1.2 is not visible, so no problem. In this manner construct the line diagram and give the doors, windows and ventilator sizes accordingly. Thank you.